Alright, I'm going to show you how to make beer bread with cheese, sour cream, and onion. It's just like my other beer bread recipe, except for I'm adding those three things. 3 cups of flour, self-rising flour. You want 3/4 of a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of flat beer. You could use dark beer or any kind of beer you want, but I recommend this. To me, it tastes the best. I don't personally like drinking Budweiser because it gives me a headache, but it does make good food, good beer, good beer cheese. Now to that, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a medium-sized onion, sliced real small. I'm gonna add a couple heaping spoonfuls of sour cream. A little more. I'm gonna add half this bag, 8-ounce bag of cheese to the batter. Then I'm gonna add the other half on top. It don't have to be precise. So 3/4 of a cup equals 6 ounces. You can use all beer, but it's gonna taste a little too much like beer. I mean, it's gonna be enough of a beer taste with what I got going on here, trust me. I've made this bread quite a few times. I've been tweaking it over the years. Got to pre-butter a bread pan. If you don't have one of these, you get one at Goodwill, or Walmart might sell them, I'm not sure. I haven't never looked at Walmart. eBay's always there as an option also. Mix this up really good, and then kind of like I did the last time, make it a football. Turn it into a big old football. Sour cream helped make it all moist. I put it in place of the butter. Some people like the way it tastes like that. The cheese also helps. Put it in your pan. Spread it out. Put the rest of your cheese on top. Get a close-up of this. Let me wash my hands real quick. Looks good. We're gonna bake it 375. I don't know how much time. I'll time it. I'll put it at the end of the video when we're slicing it. All right, here's my cheesy bread. Let's see if we can get it out of the pan all in one piece. Oh yeah. Look at that, dude. I like that crunchy, halfway burnt cheese. Yeah, I need to sharpen my knife. Look at that. A little butter on it. That's gonna be awesome.